How to view watch history on YouTube TV. YouTube TV keeps a record of the shows, movies, and live events you've watched. Accessing your watch history allows you to resume shows, rewatch favorites, or manage preferences. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, or web browser. Sign into your Google account if prompted. Step 2. Go to the Library tab. From the home screen, navigate to the Library tab at the top menu. You'll see your most recently watched content, including recorded shows, movies, and live events. Step 3. Check the Watch History section. Scroll through the Recently Watched or History section. Select any program to resume watching or replay from the beginning. Step 4. Use the search feature, optional. If you can't find a show in the library, use the search bar at the top. Enter the title of the show or movie to locate previously watched content. Step 5. Manage watch history, optional. To clear or stop tracking your watch history, go to Settings by clicking on your profile icon. Select History and Privacy. Choose Clear Watch History or Pause Watch History. Important notes. Account sync. Watch history syncs across all devices linked to the same Google account. Content availability. If a show or movie is removed from YouTube TV, it may no longer appear in your watch history. History management. Clearing your history regularly can help improve personalized recommendations.